บอกนันจะลอยจะเอาเองวันฟังจิตโยเอาให้จิยาสุจิยมังกะเลอปาราจิตปาลังเกไสเสปัตวิปากะเรอภิเสกเกสาเดโกเทียนังอาจาปาตาวโมเตสนาตาตังสมยังกัลยังสัพเทียตังสหเดตังสัพนอสมหตาจะสยตังพระมจาริสัพยาขนังกายกรรมังเวจากรรมปัจจขนังปัจจขนังมโนกรรมังปณิทิเตปัจจขนังปัจจขนังนิกาตวานลพันตะเอปัจจขเนมาเรียนบวชมาไปไหลมาเรียนซ้ำ
The United States, my Khmer family just keeps getting bigger. And look at all this food. Oh my God. When I come back to Cambodia, all the children are going to squeeze my belly. They go, Michael, you eat a lot. I appreciate you having me here in Philadelphia. This overwhelming response is something that I'm never going to forget. And I feel your love, I feel your prayers. When we think about today, when we think about right now what's happening in Phai Chan, as you know, Thailand has displaced big loudspeakers and they're carrying out acts of terrorism by playing loud music, screaming sounds of people dying, helicopter choppers flying overhead, and the people being displaced in Phai Chan is just in tears and fear. But what gives them hope and what gives them courage is all of us here chanting and praying and speaking up for them, because we will not allow their voices in Phai Chan to be silenced.
Alright, first and foremost, ខ្ញុំសូមទូទ្រង់អ្នកព្រោះអីនេះមកឃ្លាវវិញហើយថាជាដំបូងគឺមានអារម្មណ៍រីករាយណាស់ដែលបានវត្តមានរបស់អស់លោកស្រីទទួលកើតយ៉ាងភាពកក់ក្ដៅបំផុតនៅក្នុងទីវត្តអារាមរបស់វត្តខ្មែរកាលីឡានេះហើយជាកិច្ចដែលគាត់កំពុងបន្តនៅស្រុកខ្មែរយើងទីមួយគឺចង់រកសន្តិភាពជូនដល់បងប្អូនរួមជាតិដែលកំពុងរងគ្រោះនៅភូមិព្រៃច័ន្ទបាទនៅព្រៃច័ន្ទហើយឥឡូវនេះសភាពការគឺថានៅតែកំពុងតែបន្តមានការចាក់ធុងបាសឬលាត់ដំបងមានរៀបបន្លាលួសជាបន្តដូច្នេះហើយគាត់ព្រមទាំងសហការីរបស់គាត់បានព្យាយាមធ្វើរកវិធីណាដើម្បីដោះស្រាយសន្តិភាពដើម្បីបងប្អូនរួមជាតិទាំងអស់បាទI'm just briefing with